Passive voice sentences. Object of the action plus be verb, am, is, are, was, were, being, been, plus past participle of the main verb plus by plus agent, optional. A letter is written by her. A ball is fetched by the dog. A plane is flown by the pilot. In the evening, the sun is set. In the evening, the sun is set. The mouse is chased by the cat. Waves are caught by the surfer. The car is parked by the driver. A beautiful song is sung by them. A marathon is run by the athlete. Bushes are pruned by the gardener. A sonata is played by the pianist. A sonata is played by the pianist. The dough is kneaded by the baker. The dish is garnished by the chef. A scene is rehearsed by the actor. The oil is changed by the mechanic. The team is coached by the trainer. Crops are cultivated by the farmer. A sweet melody is sung by the bird. Software is coded by the programmer. The car is repaired by the mechanic. A patient is examined by the doctor. The championship is won by the team. A creative logo is designed by them. The broken computer is fixed by him. Scales are practiced by the musician. A gadget is designed by an engineer. The mystery is solved by the detective. A cake is baked for the party by her. The guitar is played by the musician. A bridge is designed by the engineer. A portrait is sketched by the artist. Books are organized by the librarian. The plants are nourished by the rain. Purchases are rung up by the cashier. A bouquet is arranged by the florist. A melody is composed by the musician. The patient is examined by the doctor. The fence is painted by Tom and Jerry. A role is auditioned for by the actor. A powerful speech is delivered by her. Creativity is inspired by the teacher. Assignments are graded by the teacher. A landscape is sketched by the artist. Classrooms are cleaned by the janitor. A delicious meal is cooked by the chef. A gourmet meal is prepared by the chef. The lesson is explained by the teacher. Projects are presented by the students. The plants are watered by the gardener. The pool is monitored by the lifeguard. Diligent notes are taken by the student. A clay figure is molded by the sculptor. A masterpiece is created by the painter. A bridge is constructed by the engineer. Surveys are conducted by the researcher. Creativity is encouraged by the teacher. A lively tune is played by the musician. Medication is administered by the nurse. Math problems are solved by the students. Clients are listened to by the therapist. A cup of coffee is brewed by the barista. A steep mountain is climbed by the hiker. A new product is released by the company. Her students are inspired by the teacher. The stars are observed by the astronomer. A moment is captured by the photographer. A vibrant scene is painted by the artist. A vibrant scene is painted by the artist. A sunset is captured by the photographer. A sandcastle is built on the beach by us. A skyscraper is designed by the architect. Animals are cared for by the veterinarian. The finish line is crossed by the swimmer. Flavors are experimented with by the chef. The business is launched by an entrepreneur. The business is launched by an entrepreneur. Experiments are conducted by the scientist. Interesting books are read by the children. The finish line is raced to by the cyclist. Custom furniture is built by the carpenter. A wiring issue is fixed by the electrician. A personal best is achieved by the athlete. Experiments are conducted by the scientist. Up a hill, a pedal is pushed by the cyclist. A house is built by the construction worker. A captivating story is penned by the writer. An experiment is conducted by the scientist. A best-selling novel is written by the author. Colorful flowers are planted by the gardener. A celebrity is interviewed by the journalist. An elegant routine is performed by the dancer. New recipes are experimented with by the chef. New destinations are explored by the traveler. On stage, a performance is given by the singer. The flames are extinguished by the firefighter. Through traffic, a drive is navigated by the driver. The neighborhood is patrolled by the police officer. The neighborhood is patrolled by the police officer.